Foley is the art form of creating everyday sounds using everyday objects to add or enhance audio in movies, television, radio, video games, or any other type of media. The people that do this are called Foley artists. A Foley artist's job is to be as specific as possible when creating sounds to make sure they capture every detail that's seen on screen, whether it's a cape flapping in a Superman movie, or someone walking down the road, to even inhaling and exhaling. When creating Foley sounds, everything that you see on screen doesn't necessarily have to be used to get that sound. For example, if someone's cracking eggs on screen, you can crack an ice cream cone. It's less messy. If someone breaks a bone on screen, you can crunch lettuce. It hurts less. A Foley artist's job is supposed to be done so well that you can't tell if it was recorded on set or done in studio. Ironic. To be recognized to do a job in which your work isn't recognized. If you're interested in learning more about Foley or any other aspect of filmmaking, visit filmcampforkids.com, where you can sign up for 1-hour classes where we go more in depth.